Hello everyone, and welcome to another Garage Time with Goody. And what I'm going to show you today is how to break a bead down on a tire. And the very first thing you have to do, you have to get a valve stem remover, one of these little guys. And I'll put a description in the video, in the links, and show you where to get one of these. Now when you put this on, like you see that I'm about to do, you're going to want to put this on the valve stem and just turn it out just like a bolt or a screw. Without further ado, let's get to doing it. The side that has it's pointed out and the valve stem goes down in there. And you take it out just like that. And then there's the valve stem. Okay guys, this is the most important part of the whole thing, okay? You're gonna have to put these ratchet straps on this exact way or it's not gonna work right. Okay, come over and get behind my shoulder, a shoulder view. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, you see it has a hook here on this side and it has a hook here on this side. Now you want to hook it this way so they'll stay in place, and you'll see that the jack has this bar right here. Go ahead and hook it here and hook the other hook here. Then you're going to want to take your tire, and what you want to do, you want to pull this tire back, and you're going to want to hold this side of the ratchet strap until it's going to go through the tire right here. And when you set it down, you're going to want to make sure it goes through the other side. And also you're going to want to scoot your tire to where the it's clearing the jack when it pumps up, that it clears the aluminum rim or whatever type of rim you have. You don't want to bend the rim. Next, you take this end, the non-hooked end of the ratchet strap, and you just feel for it underneath the jack, and you pull it up through the rim right here. Then you take it over the tire right there, and then you're going to want to feed it underneath the jack, and this will keep the jack in place. And so you can see it over here on this other side, and you pull it through underneath the jack just like that, and you tighten it up snug. And then point it this way because it's much easier for you to strap it back this way. Put the ratchet strap in here, pull it until it's tight, and then you don't have to over tighten it, you just get it snug just like that. And then once it is tightened down like that, make sure your jack is ready, and then you're ready to just start moving the jack up, and then until you hear the pop. That is the sound of the bead breaking on your tire. You'll hear the air coming out. Definitely off the bead now, if you can get a look underneath there. But anyways, that's all there is to it.